Okay, my people, we meet some videos where we suppose bring una come share una update of things where they happen for inside Aba. I'm going to bring you up the video of how the unknown gunmen take by some army men where they for inside Aba. Which this thing happened on 30th. So would they sorry say we no update on that day, but we they here today to tell you what thing happen for inside that area. So as una don't know that on 30th day, there's army day for inside one checking point. Now unknown government visit them for there. They buy many people, but as it don't be like this, they don't carry and can't give say na IPOB na them do am. But IPOB don't make statement say they no get anything to do with buying people for inside Southeast. And some group of people for inside Biafra government in exile, Simon Ekpa also they have said that it's Biafra Liberation Army that did that. And why the Nigeria government refused to acknowledge that Biafra government in exile are different from IPOB? That is the question they need to answer us. But however, the wife of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have made a statement that fateful day. Watch the video of waiting happen for Aba.
Look at it now. Look at soldiers running. This is what is happening live now. Obikaba Junction. Look at the unknown gunmen just attacked the military. Now, when I know you from I like fear. You can see that's the junction. It's on fire now. The unknown gunmen, they came there and they set that place ablaze. You see, they killed all the military men there. All the military men there on the checkpoint.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Ebulandami erimma. Erime ebulandamia. Erime ebulandamia. Erime ebulandamia. Oh Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
I'm waiting there that bush na people. Waiting there that bush na people we don't die. I say look now, come for you. Yeah, do my come.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Let's go and watch how our brothers waiting for overseas take remember our people today. Watch the video.
Biafra. Biafra. One family. One family. IPOB.
So this speaker so that's what
continue to protect us, to guide us, to strengthen us, to order our steps. And as our anthem says, triumphantly come out of this ordeal.
move back, give me boy.
Everything ready and steady and move on peacefully with our candle to turn down the street.
What's it called?
I thank everybody for your today. We continue until we register the final protest at the Zoo High Commission. Thank you. And if everybody still got the black bin bag, kindly help us to pick every litter, every rubbish that is left behind here. I will instruct somebody to do the final inspection before the last person.
So we are moving down
and God bless.
to another venue where we will continue with this celebration.
Jojo, over to you.
And that is the first lady there.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Freedom. We are moving to number 10 Downing Street. It is true that
so from here we'll be moving to number 10 Downing Street to also submit our protest petition to the zoo government, to the British government.
We should have, as a Prime Minister, supervise the rendition of one of his citizens. And he has not done anything to make sure that he's being released. So what we are saying is that
you are very prepared.
Boris Johnson supervises.
It's like in a TikTok of
please trust came and she did not do anything. Rishi Sunak equally did not do anything to make sure that his subject is released from Nigeria. Let's see what will happen next. And we are praying
so
very soon.
When we get to number 10, I will be coming live again. For now, I'm signing off. It's Mazi Efolano reporting for IPOB Media, United Kingdom.
But politically, we are being told, or we were told, that it was connected to the debts that British government owed the Iranian government. But what did the British government do? They fought, they pushed high heavens, they moved mountains, they swam the seas and oceans to make sure that Nazanin was released. She was actually arrested on her birth ground. But Nnamdi Kanu was arrested on a third soil. He was kidnapped, not arrested. He was kidnapped and renditioned to Nigeria. And that is a domestic and international crime against human rights. And British government, being the forebear of human rights, having a stronghold when it comes to human rights violation laws, they are sitting on the fence because it has to do with Biafra, because it has to do with Nnamdi Kanu, who is Biafran, who is speaking for those who can't speak for themselves, who is fighting for his people to be free. So British government, having pretended for a long time that they can't do anything, can actually do something. We have been to the courts. Nigeria government says, leave it to the legal, to the justice department, and let's see how it goes. And we won them hands down. And the court ruled in our favor, saying that no court has the right, jurisdiction to try Nnamdi Kanu. What are they doing right now? So British government should be telling Nigeria government that there should be no trial because the court has given its verdict. And we are free. Nnamdi Kanu is free. Yes. But he's still being held illegally by the Nigerian government. So what is British government hiding? What are they covering? What are they trying to stop? The reason we are here today is to stand and remember our fallen heroes and heroines. And that is a cause that they have started. And we are not backing down. We are not stopping. So if you think that by stopping Nnamdi Kanu, you're stopping millions of Biafrans, you have failed on arrival. So you better put on your seatbelts and get ready for us, because we'll keep knocking on your door. You have no choice, but you will answer. And Nnamdi Kanu will be made free. And so are other Biafrans who are illegally held in the Nigerian prisons. We are not going back. Just so you know that this journey has just begun. All hail Biafra!